This is my ID. Okay. Today my presentation will be about the sister planets Uranus and Neptune, and my name is Rosalia Kinsey. Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. Uranus is also a ice giant planet, and it is also 4 times larger than Earth. It is also called the sideways planet because it rotates on its side, and it also rotates from east to west. It takes 84 Earth years to complete a full orbit around the Sun. Uranus is known to have 13 rings, and the outer rings are darker. Uranus is known to have 13 rings, and the inner rings are darker than the outer rings. Uranus is the third largest planet in our solar system. It rotates clockwise and has 4 seasons that last 21 Earth years. The day length in Uranus is 17 hours, 14 minutes, and has 27 moons. Uranus is unable to support life due to the extreme temperatures and weather. Neptune. Neptune is the 8th planet from the Sun. Neptune is also 4 times wider than Earth, and it takes Neptune 16 hours to rotate once and about 165 years to complete a full orbit around the Sun. Neptune is the most distant and 4th largest planet in our solar system. Neptune is known to have 14 moons, and it is known to have 5 main rings. Neptune is the coldest planet in our solar system. Neptune is the only planet in our solar system that is not visible with the naked eye. Neptune is also not able to support life as we know it. Why do we call Uranus and Neptune sister planets? It is because they share some of the same characteristics. As you can see in these pictures below, they are both blue-green planets. In these pictures, Uranus rings are more visible to see than Neptune rings. Descriptions of Uranus and Neptune. Uranus and Neptune are both blue-green gas giants that orbit the Sun. Neptune has several dramatic spots, and one of them is described as the Great Dark Spot. The dark spot is a bubble of clear, high-pressure air that gradually flows from below. Methane is a gas that absorbs red light and reflects blue and green light, which gives Uranus its blue-green color. Temperatures and weather. Neptune is cold, and the temperatures in the clouds is the same as the temperatures of the clouds in Uranus. Uranus is also cold, but it receives a little more sunlight and heat from the sun. Neptune provides its own heat and rises within its interior. That rises within its interior. Weather on Uranus is described as pretty boring, and it only receives 1 out of 368 as much sunlight as Earth. Uranus is considered a boring planet because it doesn't have that many storms. It receives very few storms. And this is my works cited page. And that's it.